Hello everybody, this is Captain Dennis with SqualishMarine.com. We're going to do a quick tutorial on my favorite aspect of the website, and that's the interactive dive map. A lot of people don't know about this feature, so we wanted to make sure everybody did. It's pretty cool and it can be a little addicting. It kind of simulates exploring without having to pay for all kinds of stuff. So let's get into it. So you go to the website, SqualishMarine.com, and you get to the landing page, which is this one. And then across the top, there's a menu of all kinds of cool stuff. But today we're just going to touch on the dive map. It's going to bring you to this page, and you can see it populates a dive map down here in the bottom. And you can move this around, zoom in and out with your scroll wheel. And this is pretty much a culmination of every wreck that we have been to, every wreck or reef, or if we ever got in the water, we filmed it on this map. Click this button, it'll make it a little bit bigger and open up a new page. You can see that we've covered a lot of ground, so be sure to zoom out. There's some stuff down here in the southeast, in Florida, in the Bahamas, and anytime we travel, we pretty much bring the camera with us. Some of this stuff is plotted accurately, and some of it isn't for obvious reasons. But why is this important? This is important because each one of these little logos is actually a dive video. So if you click it once, it gives you a little synopsis of what's going on at this site. And you'll notice that on each one of these sites, there's a little tiny hyperlink. That will take you to our YouTube channel and take you to the dive that is at that location. So here we go. Let's try this one. This is the Iberia. We're going to click here. And now you're on the site. So you can skip through the intro, which everybody's a big fan of. And it's like you're actually doing the dive. We don't sugarcoat anything. It is what it is. The visibility is the visibility. Wow, this is an old one. I don't have those fins anymore. But it's great. It's a great opportunity to kind of see different places before you go travel. Wow, this is really old. But they're all accurate and all edited. They're all narrated just like you're accustomed to. Get out of here. And if you want, you can go back and you can dive something else. You're like, oh, look at this. I want to dive this one. And this is the wreck of the Reliable. Click this again. Same thing happens. So it's pretty cool stuff. One of our favorite things on the website. So be sure to check out SqualishMarine.com and the interactive dive map. And I think you can click this button and you can share it on Facebook so your friends can dive with you. Okay, so thanks for watching, and until next time, I'm Captain Dennis.